Hey everyone, Stephen here from Swift Intents, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can recreate the Sparka app icon in Icon Composer. So for full clarity, this icon has been designed in Sketch. You can see this is the icon we use now, and you can see there's like a noise artifact or visual flourish, whichever word you want to use there. There's like this somewhat of it's kind of like a masked overlay, and it gives this almost 3D effect, and there's a bit of a drop shadow, right? Adhering to how Apple kind of wants us to build or lay our icons out in Icon Composer, essentially I've just split these things into layers and I've simplified it a lot. So here on the right, I've got the shape, as you can see. There's nothing else to it, just the shape with the white hex value there. I've already exported it as an SVG, and you're good to go. We've also got a blur. Again, it's exported as an SVG. Cool, good to go, right? Now, I'm going to open up Icon Composer. I'm going to create a new file, and literally you're going to see how I can do this from scratch. I like to have my screen full screen, and let's go. So here we have the fill of the icon itself. I'm going to use solid, and then I'm going to go back to Sketch, and I'm going to grab our color here from the palette, and then place it in the hex value right here. Awesome. And then, excuse my face, move that out of the way there. Then I'm going to tap this little plus button and add image. And what I can do here is I can grab the Sparka icon and the blur, open. Awesome. So now I've got Sparka, I've got blur, and what I can do with Sparka is go to fill mode, gradient, and you can probably guess what I'm going to be doing here. Go back to Sketch, get the light yellow color. Sorry, I need to move my face again. There we go. Switch back and yeah, paste in here. Awesome. And then open this one and do the same thing. Just grabbing the salmon color back into here, paste that in. And we've pretty much got the icon up and running, and I'm really, really happy with that. And there's a bunch of things we can do here with the variation. We've got the different blend modes. We've got all sorts of cool stuff that we can do. One of the cool things I really, really like about Icon Composer is having this grid. Now you can see the icon is a dark icon, but we can change the grid to be light. You can also view sorry, let me just turn the grid off. You can also view the app icon in dark mode, mono. Apple does so much cool stuff for us. I love the fact there is this, there's still the blur, right? But then in the mono variation, there's no blur going on there, which is really, really nice to keep with that theme. So going back to default here, and if I put this back on, then what I can do is with these, I can increase the percentage. And because these are SVGs, I'm going to try lining up perfectly there. Yeah, cool. Because these are SVGs, these will resize, not lose any clarity because they're vectors. It's all good and awesome. Basically now, hit File and Save. Save this as Sparka and hit Save. And that is the icon done. What else can I say? I love Icon Composer. It's such a great app, and the coolest thing about it is this is just the very beginning. Who knows what Apple's going to do next in Icon Composer. So kudos to Apple, awesome stuff. And yeah, this is how we created this icon. Super quick, super fast, going from Sketch into Icon Composer. And again, you can do this from Figma as well into Icon Composer. Mixing up the app names there, apologies. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, you'll see us in the next one. Bye.